Yo, what's up, guys? About the top of my tongue. Not good. Gonna be a little bit of a quick stream here. I've been working all day on. Sorry, let me fix my hat. Working all day on my restaurant management system for maybe like 6 hours. So I'm gonna play some games with some friends and just kind of wind down for a little bit. But I thought I'd maybe do like a little quick stream. I think what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna solve the problem of the day. And however long that takes is how long it takes, but how long the stream will be, but you know, can't miss the problem of the day. Ooh. Crimbird, hello, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. Yeah, interesting. Okay, so given 2 integer arrays. I'm Kendrick Laters, but I just on my phone, so another account. Oh shit. Okay. What's up, dude? What's up, Kendrick? So we're given 2 integer array skills and manner of length n and m. In the laboratory of m, wizards must brew m potions in order. Each potion has a mana capacity. Must pass through all the wizards sequentially to be brewed properly. Time taken by the ith wizard on the jth potion is time. Skill I times matter j. I'm gonna say this is probably a binary search problem. No, it's prefix on. Oh shit. So we're given a vector of skills, a vector of manners here. N wizards must brew m potions. N and m going to be the same length. M is equal to mana length. N is equal to skill dot length. Man, Leetcoding gives me nightmares. Hugo's gym. Yeah, bro. I don't know. I just try and do the problem of the day every day, so it's kind of what we aim to do. This is going to be a quick stream, so I'm trying to just figure this out. The time taken for by the ith wizard on the jth potion is time, skill, times mana. Since brewing the process is delicate, a potion must be passed to the next wizard immediately after the current wizard completes their work. This means that the timing must be synchronized so that each wizard begins working on a potion exactly when it arrives. We want to return the minimum amount of time required for the potions to be brewed properly. Long here. We want to return. We have skills, we have mana, we have start time. Oh, bro. Start time is 0. Wizard 0 is done by 5. 1 times 5, I would assume. Wizard 1 done by 30. I'm a little confused with this description. I'm not going to lie. So maybe we need to find a better description. We can always do that by asking Claude, our best friend Claude. Give me a better description of this problem. Don't show code. The list of potions, each with a specific brewing time requirement. Is this the same problem that we're talking about here, bro? Oh shit, I didn't give him the problem number. Whoops. I cut off the problem number. Bro, why does it say 1, bro? What the hell is going on here? Okay, I think it... Bro, this is so weird. I just thought it was GPT. Maybe a better description. No code. Man, I have like the worst headache, dude. I'm doing so much work all day. Measures we need to brew several potions, each requiring a certain amount of time and possibly depending. Number of potions, and for each person, a brewing time. A list of prerequisite potions that must be finished before it can start. A list of what? Dude, I'm so confused by this description. Like, very poor question framing, yeah. Dude, I don't understand this problem, man. Give me a better description, someone. Oh, I gotta log into Leetcode too. Whoops. Let's log in here. Okay. Given vector skill, vector mana. I'm confused. Okay, so this is the problem. Skill becomes max. Man, I can't even get. There are N wizards and N potions. Yes, sir, there is. A potion must be passed to the next wizard immediately after the current wizard completes its work. So, I mean, N is equal to skill dot size into M is equal to mana dot size. Each person must be processed by all wizards in order to wizard 0, wizard 1, wizard n. Each wizard takes a different amount of time to brew. Each person must be processed by all wizards. Timing must be synchronized so that each wizard begins working on a potion exactly when it arrives. Start time is 0. Wizard 0 done by 5, right? Because the time is skill times mana. Okay, so wizard 1 done by... Then we go to potion 1, so we're at 5 here. Where's this 52 coming from? I don't know where this 52 is coming from. Preparing the first potion at time T50. At time T58, Wizard 2 is done with first potion, but Wizard 3 would be working on the 0th potion. Time 60. Well, I can't start working on the problem until it takes a different amount of time to brew. I can't work on the problem until I understand exactly what is going on here. Let's play some Spotify while we wait. Hang on. Skill, mana, output 110. So maybe it's like Wizard 1 done by 30. I don't get where these numbers are coming from, dude. Like, I don't understand. Maybe if I copy this fucking... Man, I'm so hungry. I'm gonna lie. You got 4 wizards, each more skilled than the last. Several potions to brew. Skill I, the minimum skill level required to brew potion I. Okay. Mana I is the time it takes to brew potion I. Wizard 0 has skill 1. So Wizard 0 has skill 1. Dude, where is this in the description? Like, bro. Wizard 1 has skill 2, skill 3, skill 4, and so on if there were more wizards. Each wizard can only brew 1 potion at a time, but they can start a new one immediately after finishing the last. The minimum amount of time required for all the potions to be brewed. Hello, Sepsto. What's up, bro? Potion 1 requires skill 5. Okay, so potion 0. Required skill is 1. I'm so unbelievably tired right now, bro. Me too, bro. I'm exhausted as well. This is the brew time. Required skill 5. Brew time is 1. Required skill is 2. Brew time is 4. 4, 2. Look at this guy. Let's go, bro. Type shit, bro. Let's go, Kelly, bro. Let's go, dude. Push 1 requires skill 5. For the most skilled wizard, Wizard 3 can brew it after improving enough from prior work. Ooh. Just ripped ass, bro. Low key. So why is the output 110? When all 4 wizards have finished their work... Bro, I'm still not understanding this. I cannot comprehend this problem. Okay, so Wizard 0 can start at 0, right? Time T equals 0, right? It costs 5, the time here. 1 times 5, right? We then... Wizard 1 at potion 1 is done by 5-1. So how do we get that, though? Dude, I still don't understand the table. I can't do the problem if I don't understand what I have to do. Like, what are you working on right now? Working on a game in the back here. I'm trying to do the problem of the day. I'm trying to figure out what exactly this problem is asking me to do, because I don't understand. Each wizard can only brew potions with skill less than or equal to their own skill. So... Is it night right now? It is nighttime right now. I don't know if that's what you're asking, but... Wizard 0 is done by 5. Wizard 0 finishes brewing time at 5. Wizard 1 done by 30. If Wizard 1 would be the one brewing this potion instead of Wizard 0, it would finish later. Because Wizard 1 is busy with something else at the time and can't start until time 25. 25 plus 5 is equal to 30. Oh, okay. I can't do this problem. I don't understand what I have to do. That's deep, though. Yeah, I mean, I can't do the problem if I don't understand exactly what the problem was. Like, this description is literally garbage. Like, I don't even understand what I'm meant to do. Start time until... Okay, so I think I'm starting to understand it maybe a little bit. So, 0 to 5, right? Wizard 1 is done by 30 because it takes... Why does it take 25, though? Needs skill 5, so no wizard can do it initially. Potion 1. Skill 5, matter 1. So no one can do this immediately, because the skill isn't high enough. Hey bro, why isn't this in the description? Like... Start time is equal to 52 means Wizard 3 can start brewing this potion at time 52. Cool trick, but can't we just sum their skills to get a skill sum variable and use that skill in the formula? I mean, dude, maybe. I mean, maybe you understand this problem better than me, but I'm trying to just figure out exactly what this table's doing. So we have skill 1. Okay, so does the skill go up, though? And that's the key to understanding this problem. No, the wizard's skill levels do not go up. Each wizard has a fixed skill level. Here are you have 4 wizards. You have potions, each requiring a minimum skill. So we have... Yes, in test case 1. We have 4 wizards, right? Each with skill levels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I also saw your other video. Congrats on the job. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it, bro. I worked pretty hard, so appreciate it. Thank you. You have potions, each requiring a minimum skill to brew. Skill I and taking some mana time, mana I. Each wizard can only brew potions with the required skill, right? So, if we're at Wizard 1, we can only brew... What? This one? Multiple wizards can brew at the same time. You start in January, right? Yeah, I start in January. January 5th. What's actually changing is when each wizard becomes free to start an eligible potion. Wizard 0, skill 1, keeps working on low skill potions. Wizard 3, skill 4, must wait until all easier potions are handled before skill 4 or 5 potion becomes available. Start time is 52. Alright, bro. Screw this problem. One day after my birthday. Let's go, dude. Let's go. I'm gonna do a different problem, man. This problem is literally garbage. Like, I cannot understand the problem. So I think we're gonna do something different. We're just gonna do some random problem here. Something I haven't done. Greedy problem. Heap. Is there a try problem in here? Implement try. Actually, let's just do this problem. Oh, let's reset this. I think this is pretty important. I think that problem is just literally garbage. Like, it's like, dude, I cannot even understand. Like, the description isn't even talking about this. Like, what exactly is happening? So it's literally a terrible problem. Like, but yeah. Okay. So a try, pronounced as a try, prefix tree is a data structure used to efficiently store and retrieve keys and datasets. There are various applications of this data structure, such as autocomplete and spell checker. Okay, so try initializes the try object. Void insert string word inserts the string word into the try. Boolean search string word returns true if the string word is in the try. Then we have starts with returns true if there is previously inserted using inserted string word that has a prefix. The description is cooked. Yes, it is. The description is very cooked. Like, it's a very, very cooked problem. Let's turn up the music a little bit here. Gotta get locked. Low key. So I want to think here. How does this work? This is Python 3. I don't want Python 3. Let's get some C++ going here. You gonna do this in Python or C++? C++. Yeah. No, not Python. Sorry, I didn't even realize it was in Python. Also, I hate dunder methods. Yeah. Okay. Let's create our struct here. We want a struct for our node, right? What are we gonna hold here? Well, we know, right? Let's Cali draw. Oh, whoops. Let's get rid of this here. Okay, so we know that we're gonna have a bool is word, right? We know that we're gonna have a unordered map, right? Because here in a try here, right? We want to hold. We're gonna have. Oh shit! We're gonna have each node is gonna hold a bool that this is a word, right? Bool word, and then we're gonna hold an unordered map here, right? Because in a try, we have the ability to go through all different characters, A, B, C, D, right? So we need an unordered map to hold everything here, right? Have unordered map. What do we want to hold? We probably want to char as our key and node as our value. The next node that we're going to go to. Camera blocking, but I follow. Oh shit, sorry. My bad. Yeah, we can call this like, I don't know, children or something. Trying to think what else we need. It's the bool, it's I think that's probably it. I don't know. We need our constructor here, right? To construct this, so what is that syntax? I think it's like node, yeah, initialization list. I think it's like is word false. I think is word false. Constructor node is word false. I think that's how it works. Yeah, we don't need to initialize anything for the. Is that how it works? Initializer list. Laser list C++. I think that's right. Yeah, I think that's good. Yeah, I think that's good. But we need this here, right? We then want to make a node root, right? So this can be like a reference to our root, right? We then have our try here. So what do we want to do here? Well, now we're inside of this class. We need to make a reference to this, right? So we can do root is equal to new node, right? We have an insert method here, right? So what do we want to do for our insert method here? Well, we want to insert a word, right? Insert a word, which then means we have to kind of loop through every char, right? So if we go for char C in word, we then want to let's make a reference to our root here. So cur, let's do node pointer curs equal to root, right? We then can go, okay, well, for every char in our word, we want to do, what is the syntax here? I think it's like cur children dot find, this needs to be an if statement. If cur children dot find C is equal to cur dot end. Is it end? I don't know what it is. I think it's end. Is equal to cur dot end, right? If no children dot count ch, I'd say I think it's dot find would be the way to go. I think, to be honest. Unordered map C++. Hang on, my buddy's texting me. My buddy wants to play games, bro. Well, not node in this case. Yeah. Kendrick, did I ever say that? Did I say that I love you, bro? You're such a great guy, bro. I appreciate you helping me, dude. I appreciate it a lot. Okay. let's see here. I think it's .find. Count returns the number of elements matching the key, finds an element with a specific key. I guess we could probably use either, to be honest, but I mean, count returns it's either 1 or 0. I mean, yeah, it doesn't really matter, but we could use either, but we'll not node in this case. Oh, thank you. Let's go, bro. Type shit, bro. Okay, it is .end, right? So if it's not there, what we want to do is we want to add it, right? So children, code children C is equal to new node, right? So create that in a new node. And yeah, I think that's it, right? We just want to add the char. Then once we leave this, we want to do cur dot cur. What do we call cur? We call it is word, right? So we need a reference that this is word, right? This is word returns true. So cur is word is equal to true. I think this is our insert function, right? Kind of look over again. We have cur is equal to root. We have for char C in word. We check, okay, well, cur children.find C is equal to cur.end. We need an extra parenthesis here. So if it's not found, right? Not found. We then add it, right? If it is, then we just don't do anything, right? Oh, we need to move it to the next one, right? So we go, well, cur is equal to cur children C. Move to the next value, right? Here we move to the next value. Move to next node, right? I believe that should work, right? Our search function here, we want to search for a word, return true if the string word is in the try, i.e. was inserted before, and false otherwise. Return true if the string word is in the char, right? So, again, this is probably going to be the same thing. Right, we have a node pointer cur. We make it equal to the root, right? We then want to loop through every single character in word, right? Then we want to check, okay, well, if cur children.find C is equal to cur.end, insert is correct. Yeah, you can almost just copy and paste search and just replace the code. Yeah, that's literally what I'm doing. I'm literally just copying search. I'm just typing it out. But we check every char in word. Code.children. Kendrick, did you think that problem, bro, that daily problem had an awful description? Or was it just me? Or am I stupid? I don't know. Because I literally thought that description was literally awful. Like, I had no idea what to even do. Like, how can you even solve a problem if you have no idea, like, what the problem is asking you to do? Like, okay, so it's not found here, right? So if it's not found, we can instantly just return false, right? Outside here, if it isn't, then we just literally move it, right? So cur, right? Children C, right? We literally just return, I think we can just return our cur. It had an awful description, but I've seen something like it before, so I kind of knew how to do it. Okay. Yeah, it was... Yeah, that problem was kind of weird, but... Let's do is word. We just return this, right? So I think it's just our search one. We search, we check our char. If we find it and it's not there, we instantly return false. Otherwise, we move it. Right, and then our return here, we just return whatever isWord is, right? If isWord is true in this case, then that works. So I think that's our... Do you do competitive programming problems other than Leetcode? I mean, I don't know. I mean, I probably will eventually, but... I'm not really interested in competitive programming. I just do... Search is correct now. Yeah, sweet. Yeah. I just do, the daily problem, usually, on Leetcode every day. And then work a little bit on my project. But, I feel, just keeping sharp with, you can copy paste it again, lol. Yeah, let's take a look though first. Starts with, returns true if there's a previous inserted string word that has the prefix, and false otherwise. Starts with. So what are we given here? Oh, app. Boolean starts with string prefix. Returns true if there's a previous inserted string word that has the prefix, and false otherwise. Okay, yeah, again, yeah, you're right. You literally just want to is equal to root for char and char c in word. We want to check if it's there. Dot find c equal to cur dot end. If it is here, we just return false, right? But literally, this is kind of a stupid thing, but literally if we just get to the end, we just return true, right? Like, we don't actually have to return true if we just return true here. We don't even have to check if it's here, right? Because if we get to this point here, we've got through everything, we haven't returned false, we just return true. So I believe this should run. Just return false inside the if statement or return true, otherwise exact same as search and insert. Yeah. What do we get here? We overloaded. Root is equal to new node. Do I have to give it a type here? Is that why? I don't know. Not a viable connection from node. I don't know if I should have to give it a type here. I mean, I'm defining it outside over here. Wait, where am I defining it? Oh, it's because I have to move this to the top. That's why. I gotta move the private to the top. It can't see it. That's why I'm getting this error. Let's move this over here. Public. Private here. Struct node. Now it should run. Respect for using C++. I switched to Python and it's so much simpler, lol. Yeah. Node pointer root. Okay. Reference type node pointer is a pointer. Did you mean to use? Yes, I did. Dot find. I want this. I don't know if I need. I think I need a pointer here too. What the fuck is this error? Error on ordered map chop pointer is not a pointer. Did you mean? Oh shit! Right, this needs to dot. This is a hash map. No. Code children dot find c. What is my error here, bro? You don't need the dot to end. Oh shit, I need another. Wait, is it a, this should be a dot here, right? Dot find. Yeah, children dot find. Yeah, yeah. Enzo, found this by accident, quite cozy. Shall open in a second screen plus subscribe. Thanks, bro. You didn't type dot find. Oh shit, did I not? Where's my dot find, bro? Where am I missing this, bro? Code children dot find. What do you mean I'm missing the dot find, bro? You typed find. Did I fixed it now? I think you're a little bit behind, but what's wrong here, dude? Remember reference node pointer is a pointer. Did you mean to use this? I literally don't know what I'm missing. I typed it before, you fixed it. Okay. Bro, what am I missing here, Kendrick, bro? I don't even know what I'm missing here. Cur pointer children dot find c is equal to cur dot end. What am I missing here? I don't know what the error is now. It seems fine now. Yeah, it looks fine to me, bro. I don't even know. Let's ask Claude, bro. What's my error here, dude? Line 31. Claude, tell me, bro. I don't know. Equal dot end on cur, which is a pointer to node. Oh. Sorry. Is it children dot end? That's what it is. That's my issue, I think. I'm calling it to a pointer, but it should be... Or is it... Oh, yeah, it is that. You're right, Kendrick. Pointer, children, and... Oh, yeah, okay. Code children C is equal to new node. Oh my gosh, dude. What is my error here now? Alright, gonna go to bed. Good night, man. Good luck with the problems, lol. Appreciate it, dude. Children.end, maybe. So what is my error here now? Error 35, no viable overloaded equals code children C is equal to new node. Did I pass in? I think I need node pointer here. Okay. For char C in Word. Okay, this is prefix. Gotta fix up all these errors, bro. This needs children dot end. Man, so many errors, bro. Calling private constructor. New try. Where's my error here now? Did I delete something or... Oh shit. Whoops. I think this needs to be in here. There we go, bro. Type shit, type shit. Good to kind of make sure I understand what a try is, but yeah. Anyway, if you weren't here the other day, we were working on this here. Kind of got the functionality of the waves implemented. You know, we can now buy and sell here, right? All these buttons work. Add stuff, right? We got the collision set up. We have the basic game. I mean, we have the MVP. The errors were just C++ dumps deck stuff. Yeah, I had the right idea, so that's true. Yeah, you can see here that, you know, it starts a new wave. We get an intermission of 15 seconds. Again, this is not like a, you know, game that obviously I'm learning C++, so it's like, you know, getting the fundamentals right is most important for me. But this game looks pretty fun, kind of like balloons. It is literally that, dude. You know, the cash goes up, you can buy stuff. I got the level system implemented, so now we have, I think, 5 levels with a bunch of different waves, so it works now. I think, obviously in Balloons Tower Defense, you can do, like, upgrades and shit. I'm not really going to go super in-depth in that, upgrading and everything, but I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to figure out next stream, because I'm probably going to end the stream here soon. It's going to be a quick stream, because I've been doing stuff all day, and my buddies from college want to play games, so I'm like, fuck it. Okay, let's play some games. Yeah, I think the goal tomorrow's Thursday, probably stream a little bit early tomorrow. The goal Thursday is I want to get the textures loaded in here. I have the textures loaded into I have them loaded in, so all I have to do is just, you know, figure out how to actually use STL to load the textures, but and then I think we're good. And then I think we're going to move to some 3D development. So, never worked in 3D. Going to be watching a lot of Chono. But I'm going to definitely take a look at this OpenGL C++ by Chono. I haven't really looked at it, but maybe I have to do a little bit of research. But the goal is just to render something in 3D. So, I mean, we're going to start by doing that.
Pro.
I have to look at his OpenGL.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Yeah. Totally understandable. I'm also sick with a tonsil infection, so struggling. It's also 3 a.m., so I'm gonna head to bed after this stream. Sounds good, bro. I hope you recovered, bro. I think I'm gonna end the stream here though, but that's a plan for tomorrow and the future streams. I have a lot of time here after this weekend, next 2 weeks, so I'm gonna be streaming a lot, streaming on the weekends too. Probably the weekend streams will be a little longer too, so working on some 3D development, so it should be pretty fun. I know nothing about 3D development, but you know, it's all about learning. So appreciate you guys watching. If you're interested, you guys should follow my GitHub. Would appreciate it a lot. Thank you guys, and Peace. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bro, use uBlock Origin for the ads. Ah, man. Seems fun. I'm excited to see how it turns out. Yeah, sweet. Thank you. It's an extension. It's going to help you. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. You got to support the creators, bro, with the ads. You know what I mean? Also, that lol uBlock for the win. Yeah, that's true.